Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a unboxing. Now, what is this unboxing? What did I order? What exactly did I order from Mears Auction? What the heck did I order from South Milwaukee? What exactly did I order from there? Exactly what did I order from there exactly? Anyway, no chit chat, let's take a look what I got. Well, it's an envelope within an envelope. Now, and it's like taped in corners of each end. Wow. How am I going to open? With what? This. Well, whatever was in here, it's gone. And I cut it. Now, how the hell did I even did that? Yeah, it was actually cut through here. But where's this item in questioning? Where is it? But it was good packaging. Give it A++ there, folks. Good packaging. Where is this item in questioning? Let's take a look at another section. It's right here, folks. It's right here. Wow. Package within a package. How crazy can you get? No chit chat. Let's take a look what's inside, y'all. Well, look what I got. I got me a Steve Dash signature, a very rare one. Got it for a good deal on a sale someplace, and holy shit, Steve Dash, the real Jason, number 2, Friday the 13th part 2, with the Beckett authentication, JSA, ladies and gentlemen. Beckett authentication, 100%. It's kind of easy or hard to get your hands on a Steve Dash, and sadly, you guys heard what happened 4 years ago that we lost him. To me, it was like out of the blue. I mean, really, folks, I can't believe it. I got a Steve Dash. And let's be clear, I got this on eBay, and this isn't fake. This is 100% Beckett because of this. 100%. Wow. And this is going to be like framed, and this is 11 by 17, folks. Let's be clear on that, folks. 11 by 17. So yeah, Steve Dash did play Jason, replacing Warrington Gillette. There are 2 guys playing Jason. Like you heard me before, 2 guys playing Jason in part 2. Most of it was Steve Dash. Some of it was Warrington. So, like I said, 2 guys play Jason. You guys know the documentary for part 2. You're going to have to see it, or if you have your Blu-ray box set, you got it in your possession. And also watch Crystal Lake Memories. So Steve Dash is going to explain some details about it. Even in conventions, he explained how he got the part. So yeah, folks, this is what you're getting. So anyways, rest in peace to Steve Dash. You will very, very be missed. And as of this year, wow, this is going to be like hard, dude. He would have been 78 this year. That's right, this year he would have been 78. Wow. So, a little silence for Steve Dash. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark, signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Happy Father's Day, y'all.